In today's food and consumer goods industry, packaging serves not only to protect products, but also as a vital component in showcasing brand value. Today, let's explore the efficient packaging solutions offered by Premade Pouch Packaging Machine. This bag feeder can simultaneously complete the rapid packaging of multiple bags, ideal for products like candies, nuts, and dried fruits. Its neat and aesthetically pleasing bag design enhances product competitiveness in the marketplace. By combining stable and reliable multi-head weighers with bagging machines, efficient weighing and smooth feeding are achieved. Even fragile products like potato chips, dried fruit, and pet food receive proper protection and excellent packaging results. The machine offers flexible capacity options. It fully automates bag loading, filling, and sealing, accommodating various packaging styles, including stand-up pouches, zipper bags, flat bags, or bags with carry handles and perforations. The machine supports a wide range of packaging materials, efficiently adapting to everything from composite films, PE, and aluminum foil to paper bags. Whether packaging snacks, frozen foods, or small hardware items, it delivers a highly efficient, stable, and low-noise packaging experience. Not only highly efficient, but also meticulous in detail. Each bag maintains an excellent appearance with strong sealing properties, ensuring ease of transportation and sales. Premade Pouch Packaging Machine, delivering professional, reliable, and versatile packaging solutions for your products. Contact us today for more packaging options.